We can talk about how we completed our 10 million subscriber PC.
Okay.
10 million subscribers was a hot minute ago for us.
Yeah.
We're up to
I was thinking
13
like, all right.
on the main channel now, but it took a long time to build this computer. Okay. Can I spoil it for you? Can I spoil it for the WAN show? Is that okay?
Uh,
Okay, so it's
yes.
a PC build. All right. Imagine the 10 million Linus Tech Tips PC build. What would it be in your mind?
I don't even know.
It's a
Because
celebration of 10 million YouTube subscribers.
I genuinely have no clue.
It's not gold plated. Everyone says it's solid gold or gold plated. It's not.
I,
It's not.
I jumped onto gold plated. I jumped onto $10,000 computer, but like I feel like you've done that
Yeah,
like a
we've done
bunch
better
of
than that.
times. Yeah.
Come on. Come on. You got
I
this. I believe in
have no
you.
idea. It can't be 10, like it can't, I can't think of anything that would include 10 million.
Okay. All right. Okay. So you know the diamond play button?
Okay.
We built a PC in it.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
We turned the diamond
Did you use
RGB.
That's pretty sweet. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, that's sick.
So the
Did you
whole
use like
thing, yeah,
a
go ahead.
NUC? Or did you like
We used an Intel NUC,
yeah.
and the whole thing, the back of it is CNC'd out, and like it is beautiful. It is absolutely immaculate, the job that was done of it, not by us. So it's gorgeous. So it had to be 3D scanned in order to even do that. Like this video is wild. It's going to be a wild ride. Lots of really cool stuff. And we actually we have a fan, so it's actively cooled, you know, in case. But we're pretty sure that with the setup we have, with like it's got a heat pipe cooler that was built by Alex. We're pretty sure that with the heat pipe cooler that we've designed, the whole thing would probably soak enough heat to act as a heat sink and cool the bloody thing. It is so sick. It's got Thunderbolt 3, so it can actually be used with an external graphics card. It's got 6 cores that'll turbo up to like 4.5 gigahertz. So the thing could actually be used as a gaming rig.
That's pretty cool.
It's
That's
really
pretty sick,
small.
actually. That's actually super, super cool. I like
And
that a lot.
all 3 points of the play-shaped diamond at the front have RGB LEDs in them. So the way it glows is like freaking awesome. I am so happy that it turned out because those play buttons are pretty hard to earn. And if it wasn't awesome anymore, then that would really suck.
How upset would you be if it cracked?
I don't want to spoil too much, but it ain't immaculate anymore.
Oh no! Ooh, okay. All right. Yikes.